So I wasn't able to record my appointment, but as y'all can see, I currently started braiding my hair down, and I'm about to put my wig on my head and get ready for Easter Sunday. And that's why my hair is looking like this, y'all. But I'm going to drop a picture right here of what my hair looked like in April. Like, we have come such a long way, y'all. But I'm about to finish braiding my hair down, and then I'll hop back on here before I put my wig on. I just want to get into how last year, I don't even say last year, in like September, I had cut my sides. These two parts that I just put cornrows in when I went to Aruba. And my hair is just growing ever since I just left it alone. The key to growing your hair out, y'all, leave it alone. Stop touching it. It's gonna grow like rapid fire. I'm telling you, like, leave your hair alone, throw a wig on, throw a protective hairstyle on for like a month. Keep it in for at least a month, month and a half, and keep doing it. Leave your hair alone. And yeah. For me, only you what you going through. I wanna be down with you. We get along. Oh yeah, I wanna be braided my hair down. I'm actually about to start the wig cap process. I recently just put my wig together. Like, it was looking real crazy and I had to get my wig together. So we about to start the ball cap method. My camera's about to die. I hate this part. Oh, got me looking so dumb. Don't forget to cut these ear holes out. First things first. I always mess the lace up trying to cut these ear holes out. I took the lace, the net. You can't really see with this thing over my eye, but you know, we're just gonna spread it out the best way we can. This earring, I recently just put this earring in. If you know me, you know I always used to have this earring in, but I feel like I need to order another one. And I got this earring off Amazon. If you would like an Africa dangly earring, like the one your girl got on, this one, I'm gonna put the link below and go get that, y'all. Okay. First of all, where's my hairline? I feel like my hairline be starting where my eyebrows at, y'all. I have edges for days, like legit days at this point. I can't see, like. Okay, that's a little bit better. I just cut the top off because it's like the hot comb touched it, so it's stuck. I don't got time for that, and there's barely anything in here to begin with, so yeah. Well, I got a phone call. We are just gonna outline the hairline. Honestly, I feel like I be going so above, like, well, I said above, like before my hairline, because like I have edges for the whole world, honestly. My edges is just, I feel like I be wanting to cut my edges off when I put a wig on. Cause it's like, what the heck? What the freaking heck? I still want to know what's it go? All depend. I feel like this is a bit on my forehead. I mean, I'll fix it when I cut it. Let's just cut this a little bit because my eyes are suffering right now. Okay. I can see now. So while this dries, I'm about to clean up a little bit. Okay, so I already started cutting because my eyes was not taking it anymore. I want you to cut your lace as close as you possibly can to where the glue is at, honestly, like.
Yo, DJ Smasher.
And what I just do is I just tie this back here into like a little knot. Tie it tight. Take the excess. And now we are on to layer 2.
Don't take it personal.
2 is done. Yeah, add some to these corners because my corners is the most disrespectful parts, honestly. You're trying to disgrace me out here. It's a little extra in the corners. And wait till this dries clear. And I'm gonna add a little bit of makeup to my, whatchamacallit, to my hair. Bia. I don't want to get it on my lace, that's why I'm leaving that little area right there alone. But I didn't go to the hair store to get a dark skin cap, so I gotta work with what I got with my light skin cap. So I feel like I should have waited a little bit to do this, but we here. I feel like y'all just need to do what makes y'all comfortable. I kind of just be getting a feel out for a lot of stuff that I do, and then I just do what feels right to me, honestly. I don't care. Like, I'll go on YouTube and watch videos on how to do certain things, but like, I'll still do it in my own way. Yeah, maybe I need to use this brush because this other brush not doing much. Oh, this brush ain't doing nothing. This brush was doing a little bit something. Okay, I did what I could do. We're about to put the third layer on and get this wig on. And it's about 9 o'clock at night. Easter Sunday is in the morning, and I just need to get this wig on for Easter. I'm not gonna curl it tonight because I'm chilling and I'm gonna go to sleep. You feel me? Alright, so now I got my wig. Yes, we put the blonde wig back on because I feel like it's the most presentable wig to go with my Easter outfit. So that's what we're about to do. I'm about to take it off the thing. And I already tightened the bands back here. And I'm about to try to put it on my head now.
You've got some vacation time. You and your girlfriend, too bad mind. Bad.
Okay, so now I'm going to, these little pieces that aren't glued down. I thought this little piece over here wasn't glued down. Okay, I got them edges done right. So I'm gonna just glue this part down. I'm debating if I want to keep a middle part or a side part for tomorrow, but we'll decide that in a little bit.
I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner, and it's no wine. One time, I need to hold a corner, and it's no wine. One time, honey.
Okay, so I put the wig on. I honestly feel like I put the wrong shade of makeup on my lace, but I mean, it's like 11 o'clock at night and I'm not going anywhere. I'm honestly about to just put a scarf on. And yeah, this wig has been lasting me since my birthday. For those that remember, those that seen on Instagram, this wig has been lasting me since my birthday. And yeah, it's doing amazing. It is an Amazon wig. I will drop the link down below. Go ahead and click that link and order this wig. Get a nice cute little 613 bob. My cousin dyed it like this. I got the inspo off of Pinterest. And yeah, this is what it's looking like right now until you know, I decide to curl it in the morning for Easter Sunday. But this is the end of this whole debacle of me putting my wig on. And I'll see y'all tomorrow for Easter Sunday.